Hey, what's up? My name is Samuel J. Strong III. First of all, I'm a servant of the Most High, proud husband, proud father, and you already know, a bond bully. At the sound of the beat, leave a message. Hey Jay, what's up, man? You was able to review the C.A.S.T strategy presentation outline I sent you?
Bro, yes, I did. That has got to be one of the most copious presentation outlines that I've ever received from any instructor ever. And I'm telling you, I'm not even going to say one of the most. I'm going to say the most. This is amazing material, bro. I don't know when you might be free to talk further about like how you wish to present it, whether it be evening training or weekend training, whether it be a day training, whether it's something you want to film and just put out. But I would love for you to teach this material to the community. I would love for it. Hey, what's up, Sam? Hey, bro, I just lost $500 today.
But dog, you made $1,200 yesterday. Stop tripping.
Hey Sam, I'll just move another account.
First thing, it's not the end of the world. Reset your mind, refocus, repurchase, and let's go.
Hey, yo, Sam, dog, big dog. Boy, this C.A.S.T strategy, dog, you a genius, boy.
It's the C.A.S.T strategy. Combines, account, stacking, tactic. We stacking them. Samuel J. Strong III.
I'm out.
Are you tired of feeling uncertain about your abilities? Do you struggle with self-doubt and fear of failure? It's time to take control of your life and start believing in yourself. Samuel J. Strong III and the C.A.S.T strategy team would like to introduce Trading with Confidence training. Our training is designed to help you develop the confidence you need to achieve your goals and live your best life. We understand that building confidence is not easy, which is why our training program is tailored to meet your individual needs and provide you with the support you need every step of the way. Through our training, you will learn how to identify your strengths and build upon them. Don't let self-doubt hold you back any longer. You deserve to live your best life, and we are here to help you achieve it. Purchase now to get started.
Just a few questions. First question is, tell me your name, where you from, and what you do.
My name is Samuel John Strong III. I'm employed by a company called Mondelez, which is the biggest snack company. Most people know it as the Bisco. So I've been with them for 20 years.
$400,000 in funding, and you trade those 4 accounts, trading them differently now.
Boom. Now we got signed. So everybody doing well. Share any first timers? Any first timers? Let me bring up the chat real quick. Chat box. Chat box. Chat. Where the chat box at? Okay, there it is. Blessings that come from D. Thank you, blessings. Wanda Richardson's, hey, Grand Rising, everyone. They used to be Vince Zimba Grand Entry. You remember, dog, when Vince Zimba first came to the
Grand Rising, yeah.
That boy used to come. That dog, hey, bro, he used to be like 20 hours late. Grand Rising at first afternoon. What are you talking about, bro? What are you?
I think he still hit it with. I think he still give it.
Yeah, he do. Yeah, he still do it. You know, he still do it, man. Let's see any first timers. I don't see no first timers yet. Second timers, third timers. Good morning, Taisha Powell. What's up, Denise? You look like you ready. You ready? Let's go. You got it. What platform you working with? Ninja Trader?
Yes.
Hey, we gonna get it, man. You know, all those people that trade on Vape. Hey, Vince, what you trade on? You trade on Trade of Vape, right?
Trading View, Trader Vape. Yep.
Oh, so you be on Fridays? Y'all see that wax screen then, huh? Is that
I'm
the one?
still in learning mode, though.
You say what?
I'm still in learning mode, so I'm just watching you guys.
Okay. Hey, yeah. Hey, watch. If you have any questions, you know, you can turn on your mic. It's easy because I don't really look at the chat. But if you look in the participation, you'll see a thing right on the side that say co-host. Like you could DM one of them mentors. We all serve under the Jason Sweet Trade Academy with Jay. So if you got a question and you don't be embarrassed to you know open up the mic, you know some people are rude. They skip the lines and you know they notice somebody hand be up and they'll just say, hey, what about that? You know what I'm saying? So but don't you know speak up. You know hey what they say closed mouths don't get fed.
Don't get fed.
Hey boy, so speak up. Hey, welcome. I don't see no one else. Good morning, second time joining you all. Gregory. What's up, Gregory? What's up, bro? I'd love to hear your voice, man. Let's get to it. I guess not.
Hey, good morning, y'all. How y'all doing?
Hey, what's up, man? Hey, welcome, man. Welcome. How you feeling, man?
Thank you. I'm feeling good, bro. Feeling good.
How you liking second time joining?
Connection lost.
Yeah, good so far. I'm learning.
You was with us. You was with Pat yesterday, then, right?
It was last week. I jumped on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Man. Hey, just sit back, man. Chill. If you have any questions, bro, hey, don't hesitate to ask. Ask. We all right. Ain't nobody gonna bite. If you don't understand something, say something.
All right. Thanks, man.
Yeah. Y'all probably don't remember back. I don't know what year it was when something was going on with the Miami Dolphins or something, and that coach said, "Say something, see something. If you see something, say something." It was a big thing down here, dog. They had billboards up. All it was. If you see something, say something.
Oh.
See something, say something. Yeah. Hey, y'all, let's get to it, man. Y'all already know, man, like how I do. I'm disciplined. Make sure you have your parameters set. Make sure you know your daily loss limit on your accounts. Make sure you know your rules for your combine company. Those are vital. And if you trade your live, hey, make sure you have your parameters on. Make sure you know your daily loss limit. Make sure you know your risk to reward ratio, your ATM strategy, all that. If you get in a trade that I put on the screen, it's important that you put on your ATM strategy. It's your responsibility. Here you go. Let me share my screen real quick, and we'll give on. Let's go. Everybody see my screen?
Yes.
Dang, why I don't? Maybe this thing is too big. Zoom is too big. That's probably what it was. Yep. All right, so here go the rundown, guys. My ZB stop loss is 4 ticks. My ZB stop loss is 4 ticks. If you want to calculate that, what you're going to do is you're going to times 3125 times what? Can somebody tell me?
4.
4 times 4. Great job, you guys. Y'all praise up, man. That's what's up. That's how you engage, you guys. And that equals what? 125. That equals $125. Well, Sam, why so low? Because I believe that the entry that I'm getting in on, I'm believing that it's the entry that I want. But if it come against me and they don't go in my direction, I want you to stop me out at $125. Why? Can anybody tell me why would I wanted to stop me out at $125?
Lose small, live another day.
Man, you better talk your talk. Bruh,
Hey, you know what? Hey, that Taisha, I'm gonna say it this way. I'm gonna say lose small so I can trade again for the same day.
That part.
And so yeah, I only want to lose 125. If I'm wrong, hey, I lose 125. If I'm right, I make 125, or I'll probably move my target up a little bit. But at least it give me opportunity to trade again. My GC is at 20 ticks. Can anybody tell me what the tick count is on GC?
10.
10 what?
$10.
$10 times 20 ticks is what?
200.
That's how much I'm willing to lose. So when you see it going $200 and I'm not monitoring it, just know that I will be out of that trade. If you're not comfortable with losing 200, guess what you can do on GC? You could scale down to the micros. The micros cost how much per tick? Can someone please tell me?
$1.
That's right. Huh?
I said $1.
Now that's a point though, right? That'll be a point, right?
Oh, no, $1.
No, you sure it ain't 10 cents?
$1, bro.
On the micros?
Micro.
It's $1 per point, but 10 cents
10 cents per tick. 10 cents per tick. That's exactly what it is. 10 cents. So it's $1 for the point. It's 10 cents per tick.
No. What are you saying?
No.
It's
Micros?
$1.
The
Yeah, it's
micros?
The micro's $1.
It's $1 a tick because it's $10.
It's always a tenth. It's always a tenth.
All right, so the tick count is $10, right? No. Yeah,
for regular
GC,
GC, it's $10. Yep.
GC, $10.
One tick is $10, correct?
So then one micro will be $1. $1. And then on what about the ES? The micros on the ES is what? 50 cents?
$1.25.
$1.25.
125. And then on ES is 125.
I had
Well, you
that.
said ES twice, but NQ is 50 cents.
Mm-hmm.
Exactly. 50 cents per tick. 50 cents per tick for the NQ. Y'all hear that? Micro tick value on NQ is 50 cents. Right. Micros on the ES is $1.25, correct?
Yep.
And then you said on gold, y'all said it's $1.
$1. $1, baby.
Bro, I thought it was 10 cents per tick. I thought it was $1 per point.
Bro,
that's probably why. That probably explain why. that probably explain why my stock be coming in so doggone quick.
Yeah.
I've been wanting to correct you for weeks and weeks.
So just have me out here, just out here. She just had me.
But I didn't want to say anything because then I'm a troublemaker. So I didn't say anything.
Miss Francine.
No, seriously though, I've been wanting to say something.
Who told
you? Say anything.
Hey, you know what, bro? Hey, that's defeat the purpose of we all we got, we all we need, bro. You can't be no real brother. What?
Y'all keep calling me a troublemaker, so
nobody don't call you no. Nobody call you no troublemaker. I don't think nobody call you no.
I do.
Hey, Vince cut different. Vince is cut different, dog. You can't, bro. No.
I don't say nothing. I just said no.
No. But hey, that's what it is. And then on NQ it's 35 ticks, and then on the ES it's 8. So hey, trade accordingly, man. Know what your stop loss is. Know what your target is. If you made your profit for the day, I look like I seen somebody put their profit already in. That's that boy Terrence West. T West put what he put. Dang, I just saw it.
562. He's done.
I'm trying to see why it ain't on my screen.
Probably is it on the other screen?
Oh, I see it. It's a meanwhile, bro. What?
I mean, when y'all was having y'all monologue, y'all normal morning monologue, I was done. That's all.
Nah, but you said meanwhile. That's like
meanwhile, while y'all got trying to figure stuff out.
Meanwhile, y'all having a Saturday Night Live monologue, I'm done.
Hey, so y'all already see how this works. We all gonna get to the theme.
T-West said, while y'all talking, I'm making money.
Yeah, it's cool, man. But hey, welcome everybody, man. Let's get to it. See, somebody say Brittany Fraser say, I don't know where I got 10 cents from. I don't know.
Yeah, you got it from Sam on one day. He didn't realize it.
Hey, well, this is what we gonna do. Hey, boy Greg, I almost did it.
I'm just messing with you.
Hey, boy. Hey, Michigan Fist almost did it. Hey, let's go, man. Let's get it, man. Hey, so hopefully everybody doing well, man. We get ready to break down. Hey, y'all do know that there was a rollover on gold. I want to say, what's today? Monday. So today Tuesday. So I think Monday, yesterday. So we do have a rollover. So you should be on contract 0805. And on ZB you should be at 0925. So let me back up. Goal is 0825. Let me move this chart down so I can see it. Yep, and then on ZB is 0525, and then on NQ and ES we still on 0625. You can also double check all your rollovers by going to tools, database management, and I'm talking about on NinjaTrader. I don't know about the other platforms, but on NinjaTrader you'll just go to tools, then you'll go to what it was, database management, and then it'll show you all of the different instruments that's set to roll over. And I just hit roll over, and that's good. I don't think you'll get that indicator if your NinjaTrader is on all night. Is that correct? Anybody, you know?
I'm not sure.
Well, great. I think if you like leave your computer on all night, you won't have the notification that it rolled over. So just be mindful of that. Always double check that. Let's get to it, man. Boom. And Miss Francine, you ain't no troublemaker. Man, don't let nobody tell you that. The next time Vince tell you that, man, hey, file a complaint at imjthetrader.com, okay?
I've been wanting to say something so bad. Oh God!
Hey, you heard what I said? File a complaint on his behind. Hey Jay, hey man, hey that guy that guy that you had that room on Fridays, man. Yeah, man. He said I'm a troublemaker. Hey, ZB is trading green right now. It's saying a green day. I do see support coming in at like around on 112.13. 112.13. 60 minute. 13. Where we at? We at 12.15. I'm gonna see the top right here.
Order submitted.
And I'm gonna see a bottom right here for right now. I'm looking at them levels, these levels right here.
Order submitted.
Buy. I'm looking for a pickup to go long. And this is this? Let me see something. I gotta check something out. Put that there, and then 111.27. 111.27. I see a buy and two opportunities for support. Support, we buy it. Support, we sell at resistance. I see based on the 4 hour. I'm looking at
order submitted.
112 as a buy. I see 108.
Order submitted.
As a buy. The lowest one right now is 1105. In that time, I like 111.27.
Order submitted.
You could front run these, at your trader's choice. If you want to do 2 ticks, 3 ticks. Then I see
order submitted.
Yep. And then of course I sell 25.
Order submitted.
So you can front run the 25. Remember, all these numbers can be front run. 06.
Order submitted.
It's just moving.
Order filled.
Didn't mean to do that. Didn't mean to do that. Did I have that order on, or did I just hit that?
I think he grabbed it and started dragging.
Yeah,
It started dragging.
Yeah. Let me see something. No, it's gonna close it out. I think it's gonna close out all my orders if I close it. Let's just close it.
Order filled.
Let's just redo it. Let's sell.
Order submitted.
Buy.
Order submitted.
I see a buy.
Order submitted.
Places of entries.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Buy. Sell.
Order submitted.
My daily I'm looking at.
Order submitted.
I'll buy this.
Order submitted.
And then on a 60. Number lock. Number lock. ZB. 21. I got an opening at 112.24. Lock. Got it. 21. No, 60-minute. I'm at 123. I see 123. You guys, so we can go to 120. We could do 120, 24 if you don't want 127. I'll take it down here at 21.
Order submitted.
I'm gonna roll with that for right now. Chart. Where's it? Where's it? Oh. Capture. Admit LB in. Hey, there goes ZB. Gold. Gold, rocking red. It is at support. Yeah, I do have. I'm showing support right now on a daily, so we can expect a pull up. Closure. Hold on for 1 second. I see something. That's the lowest I'll go for right now.
Order submitted.
For a buy. If you want to, I will put a buy stop. Like I do a buy stop.
Order submitted.
At 33.95.8. Could do a buy stop there. I would like to wait till the market open. I do like putting a buy stop in at 3383.4. 3383.4. Let me double check this right here. What that was? I said 3338.4. I like that as a buy stop. I want to put it in, but I don't really want to monitor the trade right now. But I would
What
put
is
a buy
that
stop.
for, Sam? What is
Buy
that
stop
for?
at, well, you should be in right now at 3383.4. That's
Okay.
it's in right now. I just don't want to put the order on because I want to be able to monitor the trades right now. So 3383.4. I'm gonna put a line there. Paste. Unlock that. 3384.4. Then change it to, that's a daily thing. Right there, daily. Lock it. And then go. And then I do no, that's daily chart. The session open. Yep, I like the session open. I like it. I like 06.2.
Order submitted.
I sell it, but I sell it light. I'm kind of liking the buy on gold for right now. You know, I think it's just all if you're willing to hold it. Until they close. For me, they got to close. Let me see. Hold on. I'll tell you in a few seconds. I see the sell.
Order submitted.
The highest I stop at.
Order submitted.
75 for the sell. So that's the highest I stop for right now. And then on 4 hour. Come on, man. Hey Vince, you always traded on Tradeovate?
No, I started on Ninja.
Oh,
I was using
when you made the transition, like
because I got tired of using that. It was a software called Parallel that I use for the MacBook.
Order submitted.
And I just got tired of using it because it was taking up so much space, slowing everything down. So
Order submitted.
the overnight low, I like it. Like I tried. I will put it there again because it's still support. They got down.
Order submitted.
To on a 4 hour. Yeah, they got that. This candle got down to 70. So I mean, it might work. It might work. And then on a 60. Not bad. On the 60 minute. On the 60 minute, the ultimate position I'm waiting for is closure above 3392.1 and closure below 3375.6. Y'all heard me? On gold, I'm waiting for closure above. That's my ultimate position that I'm waiting for. It's 3392.1 and 3375.6.
Order submitted.
Ulu. Ulu. Next move, NQ. NQ saying
Order filled.
that's about on gold. Really, y'all, I don't like really taking positions before the ES and the NQ open. On NQ, it's saying red. I'm gonna sell the top at my first sale gonna be at 56.75.
Order submitted.
Let's bring it down so you guys can see. There we go. Put it on the 60-minute. Spread out my charts a little bit. Squeeze this down. There we go. And then my lowest sell, my lowest buy. Man, I'm gonna go way down here, and I'm gonna try 33.50, 33.
Order submitted.
That's probably too low, but that's where I'm gonna start at. In 1 hour, please take note. Please take note. In 1 hour, I'm looking for closure. About
would
yes.
you mind squeezing your chart over so I can see that?
You talking about this one? You talking about this one?
733.50.
You talking about the chart? What you talking about? NQ chart?
Bring in more to the left so I can see the reasoning for that, the low buy.
Hold on,
I can't see that candle.
What, like this? You mean?
Yes, sir.
Oh, no, I was just putting that so you all could see my lowest. So once that's the lowest I'm starting my first buy at. That's the lowest. So I stretch it like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. That's good for you?
No, looking back to the left. I can't see the candle that's associated.
This one?
You're low.
Keep going?
I can't see. Is it you? I got it on full screen. Let me make sure I can see the candle that's associated with.
Are we good? Miss Tasha?
No, I don't see, but it could be. I got you on full screen.
I'm saying,
maybe
let me help you, because I'm pretty not understanding what you're saying. So, what is it that you want to see?
What candle are you going back to for your low?
For which one?
That lowest range.
The overnight low.
This is a 60-minute.
Oh yeah, but I'm looking at a larger time frame chart. And you just happen to the level, the order that I'm putting on is on a higher on the chart, the time frame chart that I'm looking at.
Okay.
So if you go to your daily chart, are you talking about the when I was giving out the confirmation?
That lowest one. What day is that?
That I'm looking at.
I can go to my day.
Okay. What I'm looking at, I'm on the 4-hour chart. I'm on the 4-hour chart. I'm looking at June 2nd, 1700 candle. I'm looking for closure above 21576.25 and 21426.75. I'm looking for closure above 21576.25, closure below 21426.75. I get closure above that area. I'm looking to go long in that position at the top of that level. at the top of that of that candle, which is 576.25, 215.7625. If it closed below, I'm looking to go short at 214.26.75. And then I will also put this on for me. I'll put this right here. And then I'm looking, copy, and then paste. And I'm looking at 03, 04, 04. So 04 for me is like the line in the sand. It's like if you cross this line, I tell you what. So if we get that closure above, you can also put an order in at this area. 04, what that was. That is 0. It's going too big, too small. Yeah, 04.25. If it closes above, you can go long at 04.25. If it go below, you could short 04.25. That's what I have on the 4 hour. And then what I will also do is I will put a sell at 575.
Order submitted.
And I will the buy on 47 has been compromised. I also would like to on the NQ, I'll give 53
order submitted.
53.50 a sell. They still haven't closed below this 46 area. So I still will try to buy one more time.
Order submitted.
Where my lowest buy was at. So I see another buy right in here.
Order submitted.
And then on the 60. Like these are entries. Remember, I like to wait till the market kind of open up because the market can switch up, and I just like to be so. But I do see a buy here.
Order submitted.
See buy.
Order submitted.
See buy.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Go to my 5 minute. Did anybody stay in the gold trade? Gold trade had gotten up to 86. So we went in on a gold trade. Gold trade we went in at where? We went in at 83.4. Let's take our next target. I don't want closure below 86. I'll take a target at 87. Maybe 88, but the ultimate target for me, well, that's not the ultimate target. And this time, before 9:30, I'll take 89.7. And then, hold on 1 second. This was gold. We went in at 43. Yeah, I'm looking, probably the overnight high. We probably could hold it. And y'all already, man, how gold get down. I think, like, once they close above the 417s, you might not get a chance to come in at the overnight high. So you might have to wait for that candle to close and probably get the close of that candle. So what I mean by that is if we get a closure, like let's say you still in this trade and you holding it, you scaling out as you go, and then they close above the 7. If they close above 17, like a tick, yeah, maybe, because you got the 14 that it could get back down to. But if they close at, let's say, this is just me, if they close at like 21, 22, you might not get back to 17. So what I would do is I'll go to a smaller time frame. Maybe a 1 minute if possible. I'll go to a smaller time frame and I just look for the next support level. and that's where I put my one order in. Is it a little riskier? Yeah, because you got to prepare yourself to take a little bit of heat. So know what your stop loss is. If your stop loss won't meet those criteria, then don't take that trade and just wait. And just wait for more closure. Let's go back to NQ. That's it for right now. I want to wait till the market open, really. Because even those orders that I have, they kind of spread it. So I'm going to take... Oh, I'm on the 5 minute. That's why. It's 60. That should be good. Last is ES. It's compromised. It's saying red.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
On ES, less in what time, Mike? 10 o'clock. We're looking for closure above 5955.50, 5916.00. We have 16 minutes before opening. I'm gonna put this here for right now. 49.50 is 49.50 is a sale. I don't want to put it on this early, because we're close to the market. We have 60 minute swing. I see 71. I see 71.
Order submitted.
Alright, we'll put it there. We'll put it there for right now. I'll put it there. I'll put it there. 60 minute. I'll put it there. Yep, I'll put it. I'm gonna put it.
Order submitted.
I'll put it there. For right now, yep, that's what I'm gonna go with.
Sam, we got news today sometimes, don't we?
Let me check. I didn't check. I think I got
10
all.
o'clock.
All right, let's check the chat. We should
10
have.
o'clock. 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, it's over
I
here.
think we got news all week this week. Red folders I'm referring to. You saw that tie come off already? Already done with court.
No time for Greg being done with court.
Yeah.
Hey, Michigan Vince, you co-host, dog.
Yeah, man, I'm already on it, man.
Oh my goodness.
Already on it.
I said, so we got 1, 2. Okay, I gotta send this one, and that should be everything for right now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we got 4, and let's go ahead and check our news right quick. I'll close this one out. Forex Factory. One time for nah. I gotta take all these out now. I said, nah, you got news? Now start quoting me all the news for all the countries. I said, nah, go to your filter, girl. I don't want to know nothing about them. Hey, yeah, so we got red folder 10 o'clock. No, that was Monday. Oh, well. Tuesday. Oh, 10 o'clock. Hey, Siri. Set alarm for 9:55. Rose hit me up on Financial Juice. Financial Juice is like, it seems like it's like live news. Today is the 3rd, right? Yep. So let's go. Let's scroll down. Let's see what they got. See if it correlates with everything. Yep. 10 o'clock. U.S. factories. Yep. Blue. Somebody speaking. Tentative. U.S. core durable goods at 10. So all that at 10. I won't be trading at no 12. All right. That's it. So we good to go, man. Let's take a look at some of our trades, man. Everybody good? Everybody well? Before we kick it off, what y'all see on my screen? Let's just stop sharing it quick. Hold on, let me do this. Go here. This is nope, don't want that.
Hi. Can y'all hear me okay? I have some background noise, but hopefully you can hear me.
Yeah, we hear you.
I'm kind of like working and trying to listen in at the same time. I just saw like quickly what looks like a website for breaking news.
Yes.
What's that site, sir?
You have Forex Factory.
Forex.
Hey, you have the chat open? You got a chat. And can somebody put Forex Factory and Okanado in the chat for her, please? And if you want to also add Financial Juice, add Financial Juice. Those are 3 platforms I use for, well, Financial Juice is something that was added. Shout out to Rose Mentor. And then for the regular Bomb Bully, Jay got me onto Forex Factory and Econo Day.
Connell.
If no one put it in, I'll get to it soon. I finish this.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
No, I appreciate you. Thank you. I'm looking for one more link. One more link. That time I see it. See the conference. May, nope. Stroll. That's it. I'm trying to get the hotel information. I don't see it. Ah, got it. One time for Ken Thompson. So I'm gonna copy, and then we're gonna drop. We just dropped the registration. Paste. We have 9 minutes. Any questions right now? All right, cool, no problem. Thank you. Hey, y'all see my screen? There we go. Here go the conference. Information for the conference. All this access and bonus for just $149. Don't miss live virtual event. From Charts to Change. This is Jay. Hey, grab your next ticket event. If you're interested in it, you'll just go ahead and boom, click that. It'll give you the information. Reserve your spot. Hey, let's reserve mine. So I say, let's go. Let's say, boom, got that. It's very simple. Email, Samuel J. Yep, right there. Interested, whatever. Business, investor, trader, insurance, real estate, investing, business. Which one would I want to do? I will probably want to do investing. Let's do business. And then click here, buy ticket. And then there you go. You put your information in, purchase your bag. Look, all purchases should come with access to the course. Level up your bag with levels. Virtual ticket is $79. So I'm assuming if you don't pick none of these, like you see how that one just checked, you can just check that and voila. And you're good to go. That's that one. And then we have the conference, the hotel. We have 8 minutes before opening. WealthCon 2025. There you go. Booking information. Shout out to Ken. Ken negotiated a great price for it. Downtown Orlando, 17th to the 23rd. There we go. It's that simple, y'all. So you got both links in the chat. There we go. Oh, I see that boy Jay. What up, Jay? How you feeling, dog? You good, man?
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm good, bro. Thank God.
All right, good. Hey,
Thank God, I'm good. How about y'all?
Man, we done got everything. We in ZB. We long on ZB. We just shorted NQ for a period of time. Gold, we was in at gold. I think we got our targets already. Let me double check. On gold, we went long at 33.83.4.
Okay.
Yeah, so we got targets at 87. We did that, so All we now doing now is just waiting for an open in 6 minutes. I shared the links for the conference, hotel information, and also registration. Anything else you want to add, bro? You feel free to, bro.
Oh man, everything's good.
I have a question.
Nothing too much to add.
That was Miss Wanda. Go ahead, Miss Wanda.
Yes. I need like a VPN. Does anybody have any recommendations?
Tell somebody what you're trying. Say what you're trying to do the whole way. Like I'm trying to da 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 da. So I need a VPN to da da da. You know what I'm saying? Do that for me.
I'm trying to trade at night, and oftentimes my live as well as my combine feeds are disconnected. So I need a VPN so I can stay connected and trade at night. Usually for the bot, not me personally trading.
Who is disconnecting your feeds? Is the combine company disconnecting the feed?
I have no idea. I did put in a ticket with them, and they were like, we didn't have any issues on our end. So
Right. That's what's so weird. I don't believe, because combine companies are typically like international and stuff like that. I don't think that they would stop the data coming through. It's really weird. All the other devices in your home able to have like connectivity and stuff like that, like your phone and everything else?
Yep. The only thing I have issues with is my live trading feed, and
That's so weird. I've never experienced that before. Has anybody experienced that before?
No, I haven't.
Yeah, I have.
You have?
Yeah, for some reason they'll just like go offline, Jay, and I'm like, why did it go offline? Sometimes it's done it in the middle of a trade, and I usually, I'm on take profit. I don't know why it does that sometime, but the VPN is not going to, it's not going to fix that problem. That is not a VPN problem.
It could be your software.
Yeah.
That you have, your antivirus software. Sometimes they see things as threat, and they'll do things like that. It'll behave that way. So you may want to double check.
Okay.
And I'll go into database management, like DG said, and kind of like clear out some junk and restart NinjaTrader. And usually that fixes the problem. I did that this morning, and because it was lagging, it just like it just didn't work. I was like, what is going on? So that might help as well.
But I always restart my computer pretty much daily.
Restarting your computer is different from resetting your database.
Yep.
Right.
Your database is a NinjaTrader file that's it has the letters DB on it, and like resetting your DB is a different thing than restarting your NinjaTrader.
Okay.
Yeah.
And be cognizant as well. Sometimes you get pop-up from your antivirus software, and just be cautious of that. And then if you do see things like that, you can actually go into the settings and whitelist it, like add it so it doesn't think it's a threat.
Okay.
The other thing, this is really important. Like if it goes out or is lagging like that, sometimes it'll put you in a trade. So make sure you flatten everything before you do anything else. Just look at your position, flatten everything. I do it every day now because for some reason it put me in a trade. I don't even know I'm in trade. So flatten everything and then do whatever you want to do as far as maintenance.
But this is the bot. So I mean, what you're saying, I understand as far as the maintenance. But even when I use the bot, it'll put me in all kind of trades, and then the feed disappears, and and they turn yellow.
Got it.
And then all of a sudden, I pass. It didn't even adhere to the 600, loss daily limit. It was like thousands.
Oh wow. Yeah, I would still flatten everything. I'm in a real trader trade now. I'm letting it trade for me since I'm finished. But yeah, I would still flatten everything no matter what. Optional. Optional.
Thank you.
We have 2 minutes before opening. No, we have a minute. Man. If you want to NQ trade, cover or take targets at what was I looking at? You got 34, 33, 34. I would like to see them get down to 19. Gold trade, we got targets on gold. Now
Order filled.
That was my bad. I hit the button by mistake. Well, we have all of the entries, right? Because it's in the chat. Because when I close this out, I think it's going to take all of the trades off. Let me see.
Order canceled.
No, it didn't. Good job. 11 seconds for an open. Gold. It closed below.
Order filled.
All right, we got an opening, y'all. All right. Did we get on gold? No, not gold. We didn't do the sale on gold. NQ.
Chasing that reach.
615. 34. We get our targets at 34. On Y. Let me get my levels in right quick. 31. Should we be ready? Remember the front run the target. I like 19 as a target, so if you want to front run it to 18, you can. Let's see if we can get closure above on 19 on gold. Take the retest. I'm looking for. Remember, we wait for closure. We have 3 minutes. We have 3 minutes. We get that closure. We sell it on 81.9. It is coming to resistance at 75, also at 71. And Q is the sell at what 74. That's a lot of heat if you took that one. But if you got into the 74s and anybody still held that short, we definitely want closure. I'm looking on the 60. Let's go to the 5. 5, I'm looking for closure below 44. But I like 533 better. ES.
Wow, thank you, Sam. I'm finished for the day.
Nah, don't thank me. Thank yourself. You took the trade.
Thank you.
Yeah, you took the trade. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Like, hey, Jay, right there. Jay still here? You can tell Jay about how you felt about somebody like bullying you. Who be bullying you?
No, I'm not saying.
Oh, now you retracted.
I know.
Now
Vince
you retracted.
is my friend. We go back and forth.
she retracted, dog.
No. But you know what? But no. Vince know he likes to tease me, and I enjoy it. But he does.
She retracted real quick, dog. Yeah, man.
I'm not trying. I'm not a snitch.
Hey, let's go with 42. Let's go with 42 as one target. As a target, 42. I'm looking at 42 as a target. On the 60, they still haven't closed above 49. So, you guys, you got to be confident in your trading. You have to be confident, man.
What was the entry for gold? You said 81 point something.
81. I think I said 81.9, but I want closure in 40. What we got? I'm looking at. Hey man, hey dog, hey hold on for 1 second. I gotta, hey mentors man, y'all that got that co-host on the side man, come on man, help your boy out dog, please.
What happened? Somebody was in the room.
They still waiting man.
No, nobody's still waiting.
Yeah, that's because I admitted them. Greg, you gotta put it in front of your screen, dog. You gotta put the admit thing on the screen you're looking at, cause you know you got like 5 monitors, right?
Yeah. I got it.
Hey, you heard him.
He said, yeah.
Yeah, Sam, you're right. Yeah, you're right.
Very convincing.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, okay.
Hey, man. It was. I'm looking for closure. Yeah, right there we got it. I'm looking for. I see a couple of entries. I'm on a 5 minute on gold. I see a couple of entries. Remember to know what your daily loss limit is. Know what your stop loss is. If you have already made bread in that account, money. If you have already made the money in that account. Why did anybody go long at 75? We call the targets at 77 and we call the long at 75. But I'm looking to short 81. I like 81. I also like 78.8. But on a 60 minute on 60, you remember we looking for closure below 3392.1 and 3375.6. The NQ, we got our targets at 20. We got our targets at 33. I'm gonna go to a 1 minute chart. I want them to close below 20. The ultimates I would like to see them close both is below bro, that's the 05s dog. Was that yesterday, Vince?
Yeah.
04,
04,
yep.
Order canceled.
Chris, what you did, Chris? You all right over there, what, Chris? Chris, you good? Hey, Chris.
Ain't messing with you, Chris.
He probably driving. He probably driving.
Hey, I know everybody is kind of focused on the sales right now. Have y'all looked at the buying the indexes? Like, have you considered it at all? Like, is that part? Have you considered like, hey, today maybe I'm gonna buy a little bit?
I see some buying opportunities. Right. I know I missed the.
Would you check your 4-hour chart and tell me what you think about buying opportunities, please? Because I'm long as a dog.
On it. That's ES.
Order canceled.
4 hour.
You could either ES or NASDAQ.
Okay, yeah. Let me go to I'll stay here. No, I'm good. I'll go to ES.
I'm not saying that they doing it right now, but I'm just saying like the longs.
Where you got long in at? I see a long. I think my first long look like is at 06. On ES, I got 06. I have 22. And if I get closure, what time is it? That's on let's go to well, you said 4 hour. I'm gonna go to a 5, Jay.
Go to a 4-hour chart and go look at the market.
This is the 4 hour right
go
here.
Look. You don't see long. I see long opportunities. I'm not saying that it's all going to happen right now today or right now this moment, but there are reasons why the market should be able to be long. Maybe not immediately.
Order filled.
Maybe not immediately, but you do see that.
Order canceled.
The closures I'm looking for is 40.75. I'll go long once I get confirmation. Once I get closure above that.
Okay.
And
you said 40.75?
Yeah, 594050 40 that area.
Okay.
Right where it's at right now. I get that closure on this. Well, that's on a 4 hour. That's why I wanted to go to a smaller time frame. I wanted to go to a smaller time frame because if I do it on a 4 hour, I'll be holding it too long.
Okay, I'm just making sure that we don't get rid of the opportunity for the Bulls to wake up at some point. Because to me, it feels like they should start waking up at some point. I know that selling was a good first move, but 52 short. I think I had that, and I had 215.89 short. Cool, but I'm looking for it to fail sometime around here pretty soon.
You saying for the buy? That's what you saying?
Yeah, when I look at my 4 hour chart, that's like a mouth-watering buying scenario. Right? I don't know. Maybe it's just me. That's why I'm asking. Do you not like long? Like, is that not a thing for you?
I like long. I don't like long right now.
Okay.
I don't like long right now because I don't want to sit in this right here for no 5, 10 minutes, 15, 20 minutes and add to the position.
Okay.
If I, especially on the 5, that's why I wanted to go to the 5-minute chart. If they start closing below these levels I have, the 24, the 18s, definitely 10. Ultimate one is 02. That 04, 05, the area, that's where we had some things going on yesterday with it. So it is when I squeeze this chart, the 02s right here, this area right here. That's what I'm looking at. So that them sellers really like slap them down. So
over.
You said what?
I don't know. I was okay.
Them sellers ain't got they pump faking.
Like they gave us a good look off the open. I'm really surprised to see what they can do as far as following through on some of the threats that they're making here. I'm interested to see.
Is Greg still here?
55.
Yeah, what are we doing?
After 10 o'clock.
You see that setup?
Yes, I was looking at it earlier. What's that? Yeah.
Hey, we should convince you a clown, dog. Come on, dog. How you go blast him like that?
No, that wasn't blasted.
Hold on, you talking about on a what time frame you on?
No, we looking at 4 hour, bro.
Yeah, we on 4 hour.
Oh, okay. I thought you were looking at. What happened to my 4 hour chart? Where's my 4 hour chart?
Nah, I wouldn't do Greg like that on a Tuesday, man.
So, 21,464.
4.
Man. 450, really. In real life, 450, but we'll see.
Right. 450 is it, but I'm coming back down there. Yeah.
Yeah, because that's a lot of real estate.
Yeah, that's a lot. Yeah, but I bro, when I saw it, I was like, oh my God, I almost came off mic, but then I was trying to
yeah. I'm with you on that, Jay. I see the buy. I definitely see the buy.
Yeah, really? I mean, Jesus.
Jay, I'm looking at the buy on the 4 hour on the ES.
Yeah, it's very tasty. It's very, very tasty. I think being a seller was a good opening concept, but I can see that the sellers will fail. Like maybe, like to me, it's like a Karu Maktab, second week Saturday.
Yes.
Like how can they continue? How will they keep going? I don't know. I'm not saying like
this weekend.
Maybe I'm wrong, but I don't know. They're still in the ORT, so not like there's been no real kind of like decision made or whatever. But man, sellers don't look like they just gonna run away with the day. You know what I'm saying?
So quick question, Jay. So do we trade for the moment or do we trade for the day?
You trade for whatever you need. Like, I've stopped trying to make it like you're the trade room leader. Your job today is different than everybody else's. Your job is to make sure that everybody makes money and at least $1,000 of trade costs are happening. So you're taking
Okay.
the necessary action to see that happen. That's no problem.
Okay.
What people tend to do, like, and you were starting to talk about it, you said, hey man, y'all gotta trust your trade. Who's still in there? You saying words like it's still lasting. So if I didn't take the trade with you and I'm just sitting there, I might go, man, sell, it's gonna go down. You see what I'm saying? Because they didn't jump in when you said get in
Yeah.
there,
Yeah.
but now
Yeah.
they're watching other people be successful. Some people are saying, thank you, man. I'm done with my trading day. Some other people, you know what I'm saying? So the way that this plays psychologically on the people who are there is, shoot, it's going down. I might as well, I could
Yeah.
just jump
Yeah.
in there
Okay.
now.
Yeah. Yeah. When it's it might be too
So
late.
I'm
Yeah.
sitting up there
Yeah.
going, if they sell down here, they're
Yeah.
gonna get their neck burst.
Yeah. I
You know,
got you.
like
Yeah.
it's not gonna go very well. So what I want to do is I want to say something that's like, hey guys, don't just sell here. So I'm like, hey, do you see any reasons for it to go another way, Sam? Is there something else? Like I'm seeing that the buyers could do
Nah,
something.
they gave me
So
they
that
gave me
way,
my closure. They gave me my closure.
right.
Yeah.
Right. So people just don't start willy-nilly kind of jumping in. It could be dangerous.
Yeah.
Order submitted.
You know, don't just hey, if you didn't get in where it was prescribed, don't just jump in. I don't want you to do that.
I ain't getting left.
Don't just jump in, you know.
I ain't getting left.
Be an active part of your day for sure.
We got both targets on ZB. So you guys, we had no losing trades today. I'm tallying it up right now, and I think we already at 1,000, a little bit above. On a 60.
Order filled.
For
Big gold tanking like a brick.
did they come get our entry? Let's see. Gold
Order filled.
on a 5. Did we call 80 and 82, 81? They got to 80.4. Did anybody? I want to say the 87, 80. I remember calling the 81s. Did anybody go short on gold?
Yeah, I went on that gold trade. I'm
Which
350 in the red off of it.
Huh? You went what? You said you went short?
Yeah, that gold call that you had up, what was it? 33
Order submitted.
69.2, I believe.
Order canceled.
33.69. It was one of those resting orders on there?
Yeah.
Yeah, because we was short. We was short at the 81s. They never came back to the 81s when they had gave us that closer below the 81s. I said let's short because that's the line that I had right there, 80. And then what time did you get in the trade room?
I got in a little late, Sam.
Yeah, bro, that probably could have been what it was. Because we was long. We went up. Then we got our closure. We didn't get the 81s, but we did get the 80s. 80, 80 points, 80.6.
You told us 80.9, I believe.
It was two. It was two of them I gave you. I gave you two entries. I gave you 80 because I'm looking at 80 point. Yeah, 80. So it didn't get to 80 points, so it didn't get up there. Where we went 80.9, and then they never got to the 80. They never got to the 80s. This area. So, did anybody front run the 89s? The 80.9s?
I did. Yeah.
What you front running at?
I got it. I got in at 3378.8.
Oh, you front run.
That
Yeah.
sound like Tiffany.
Yeah, you front run.
That sound like Tiffany. That's Tiffany.
That's me. Hi, Jay.
What up, Supermom? You good?
I'm good, thank you.
That's good, man. That's good. Good to see you getting in there.
Yep, I'm in here.
That's all it's about.
NQ, I like to buy at 55. 55 long. Yeah, 55
Order
55 long
submitted.
area. We got 9 minutes on a 60 and then on a 5. We got our closure, but they didn't come back down to 47. That's where I look to go long. 55.5, 55. Hey, news in 10 minutes.
You saw that spike? That was crazy.
The news in 10 minutes.
That was a 30 point.
Order canceled.
What spike you talking about?
NQ just did a spike, like a 25 point spike, like.
Order submitted.
Quick question.
The wrong way, you got stopped out.
Hey, DeCarlos, quick question. What's your ATM strategy on your gold trade? On your gold?
Pull it up. Well, I didn't use I used that nighttime ATM strategy, that night NQ strategy that we use at nighttime.
It don't matter what you use. I just want to know what the tick count is. That's all. It don't matter.
Oh,
Yeah.
I have to pull it. You got to give me a second. I'll
Okay.
pull it up. Can't remember it right offhand.
Yeah, because ATM strategy, you got to remember, man, ATM strategies, well, for me, ATM strategy just, it helps make sure that I'm protected when I get in the trade. Once I get in that trade, I become my manual ATM strategy.
Right.
You see what I'm saying? Because the market is not the same every day. Not even every second, every minute. So that's why a lot of times you have to engage in your trading. Because with the gold trade, even if you sold where I told you to sell at, well, remember that sell was put in earlier, like way before you got in here. It was done way before that, right? So hold on.
Right.
3,400 in 15 minutes. No, we ain't blaming. We ain't playing no blaming game, though. We just trying to make sure that we just have a conversation about it. Because what I wanted you to do is remember, man, like with those ATM strategies, I adjust mine according to the market.
And I normally do that as well, Sam. Like I said, I'm at work, so when I came in and sat down at my desk, I went ahead and saw what you had on the screen.
Oh yeah.
So I went ahead and put it. I went and put it in, and then I stepped away for a second and came back. And you know what I'm saying?
It does. Yeah. You know, because the moment when we break it down the market in the morning, like that's one of the reasons why even I put the orders. I try not to put any orders in close because, bro, like none of this job mean nothing until that NQ and that ES open. When that NQ and that ES open, bro, it's a different game.
Right.
Yeah, it's a different game. But we what size account you in?
50K.
You know your drawdown?
On this, I probably shouldn't even be on here while I'm at work, but hey,
What you say, big dog? I probably shouldn't even be on here.
Hey, it's all good.
Right.
Hey,
Trust me. Hey, I'm here. I'm at the gym, man, and I'm like, man, I need to trade before I get in the sauna, because I ain't gonna be, I'm like, man, I should get up off this thing. But whatever, man. Sometimes that's what it is. You ain't here.
it's a Bullanox 50K. It's Bullanox 50K. Combine.
And your drawdown? Where your drawdown at?
It is busy right now.
Anybody from ran the 55s? And then on the ES we said I was saying 43. When the front runner, you could go to 44. GB, we're looking at targets at 25.
Order canceled.
They're like they stalling. I'll take 24.
Oh, it was a good call, Sam. I wish I could have taken advantage of it.
Hey, I'm not. Listen to what I'm getting ready to say, T. Listen to me. And I'm not trying to. What's the word I want to use? Discipline you. Learning how to stay in trade sometimes, bro. It might be
It's
the
a
thing
skill.
to do. Yeah. Oh yeah.
It's a skill.
Yeah. And
It's a skill.
you got it. And the beautiful thing about skill is like you can teach yourself that. Like you can.
I reached my targets earlier, but that was an excellent call.
Yeah.
I was just looking at it and watching it go up. I was like, "Dang, that's a good call from 11." I had already hit my target around 8:30 or whatever, but that was a nice call, brother.
No, thank you,
That was
man.
a
I'm
nice
glad
call,
you took
man.
it. I'm glad you. Well,
No, I wasn't
my
able
bad.
to. I
Yeah,
wasn't.
my bad.
Yeah,
I'm sorry you did it.
yeah. If I needed it, that would have been a good call. But I
Hey,
got my targets before.
I got to check on my bro right quick, man. I think you good.
Hmm?
You good?
Yeah. I should have put more contracts on that sale. I got scared, man.
Yeah. Why did you get scared, dog?
Man,
Order
I
canceled.
don't know. I'm gun shy today, man. I got beat up in this account yesterday, so I kind of gun shy in it. But I took it with one contract, though. I should have took it with 3, though.
What, 94?
Sam, when you was talking about ES, were you talking about a buy at 44?
Yep. You should have been there. You should have been
What's
there.
our target for that, Sam?
Shit,
I
I'm
got
going with
you.
48. I'm going with 48. I'm going with 48. I'm going with 48. Yeah.
News in 3.5 minutes.
And if you win news, you better check your account. Check the combine company you with, because some of them want you out a minute before and a minute after.
Indeed.
And they might not say nothing,
Order
right?
canceled.
They might not say nothing. They just might not say nothing. But you know when they gonna say something? Tell them, Greg.
You know that, bro.
Yeah, boy, when it's time to ask for that payout, your account was flagged. So, hey, you got 3 minutes. You got time, so double check your rules. On 44s, we got your target. Did we get it? Yep, we got it. We got it for those that stick it.
Yep,
I
got it.
think that
Thank you.
I think that 44 target is 59.95. The ES, right?
Yep, you said 59.95.
Yeah.
I'm at 93. I mean, I'm 2 ticks. Hey, dog, I'll be going to the picnic a little bit earlier than you do, dog. But we're the same set. We're the same set, big dog.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, dog, we there, man.
After you're done with that, you know what I'm saying? Take one off there, take the next one off at 6,005. You'll be good to go.
Hey, disclaimer.
Shoot, that might be the reason you get it right now. Shoot, they ain't gonna play. They about to give it to you in just a second.
Yeah, for those that's winning, now hold it, boy. Hey, just don't look at the chart. And let the A2 strategy do whatever it's gonna do.
Let it do what it's gonna do. It's gonna do it.
You said what?
622 sale.
Got news on a minute and a half.
Yeah.
622 sell. Bro, quit playing around with the nickels and go look at the dollars. Why you gonna sell that for 5 minutes when you can hold the other thing for a day? Why you gonna do that to me? Why you wanna go the other way on me?
Hey,
Vince?
dog. Hey. Cause
Why you wanna go the
hey,
other
Jay,
way
I
on
got
me,
you.
dog?
I got you, Vince. Cause I'm a small ball trader.
No, man. I just, hey,
Vince ain't no small boy.
Boy, not at all, dog. Hey,
I just stick to the script, man. I just see my trade. I just take it. I can't avoid it, man. I'm a double fiend for taking it.
He playing with you, dog. I ain't finna blast him. I ain't gonna.
I just don't want none of the bullies going the other way, man. Y'all get out the way. Let me play on through. Let an old man get long for a second. Y'all don't get on the other side just yet. Let an old man get where I'm going. You know what I'm saying? I need a trader, little blue pass for the trader with the little, like a mouse that's a little old school. You know what I'm saying? Let the old traders through, man. Y'all don't beat me up just yet.
20 seconds. 20 seconds.
Yeah, there you go. You good now.
Use about 5 seconds.
Order filled.
That's his 22 cell. He got his little touch. I wanted to come on down and then go back up now, man. Quit playing. Yeah. He got his little 22 cell. Here you go. All right, Vince. Praise the Lord for you. Nigga, you 622s. Now, come on, boys. Let's go back up there. They don't take quick targets. We're going to go in and stop them out. ES got a little problem at 60. What is it? At 55. Let's see what happens.
See where you at, Greg, on the 5. I mean, on the 4 hour.
Yeah, I got it. Oh, come on. Let's go.
Greg.
Hold on.
Summertime. Did anybody take that 22 that Vince called y'all?
That's running here Saturday.
Yeah, I took it.
Wasn't bad. I took
22 short. I mean, shoot. 22 to double O. That's $400 all day.
We got our 24s on. We got the 24. Yep, we got 24 because it went up to. It literally went up to 25. So we got our targets at 24. Front ran it. So we got 11 to 24.
I just wanted to go ahead and fail now. I just want them to go on up there. Keep on going.
Yeah, it definitely could ride, Jay. I mean, it is nothing.
Man,
I just want everybody in here. Like, if you in here, I want you to appreciate the fact that people are talking about the direction you should take and offering you advice as you in the market. Like, that's a beautiful thing. You know what I'm saying? Like, imagine if you was trading along and you didn't hear some of the stuff that we talking about. Just imagine that. Just imagine that. You would really be still trying to sell off the open. You'll still be holding 22 forever rather than just taking it for a little time. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, G. Smith, I see 93. I think I like 93.
Yeah, you'll be long gone. 93?
Long.
Why y'all want that?
93 on what?
Why you even want them to come back? Like, that's the question. Why do you even think they coming back? What gives you the right to believe that they owe you a comeback?
What we talking about, the NQ, y'all?
No,
they were struggling because they were struggling, Jay, in that area.
They don't owe nothing. But I mean, if it's a level that's close to above,
look at it, they were struggling. They were hedging all in that area, right where the 94, 92. So there. Boom, then it goes up. But my thought is, you got a ways to go. There's nothing really holding them back. But the thought is, hey, come down, make sure you got enough to push all the way up to where you got to go, which could be pretty high.
Hey, and nobody else on earth got to take them trades, man. That's just me. That's just me, because don't nobody go to SoFi and Bank of America. So nobody got to take them. No, let me put that disclaimer out there. Me and Greg was on something.
I think if you wanted it to come back that good, I'm with Pat. Like, if I'm Pat, I want 74 then. They going to play it all the way like that. Come on all the way back if they going to do it like that. Shoot, you know. And they still might, because this candle open up green. So this could all be wick. You know, you get up there and it start falling, come on back and get you a little bit. You know, you never know.
I would love for that. Just come right there and then we go. Let's go. Matter of fact,
all right. Hold on, Greg. Okay, it's 10:03. Is anybody in the red? Anybody in the red? No one should. Well, outside the Carlos, because he said he was low. But is anybody else in the
Nope,
red?
I'm 150 up, Sam. I was on that NQ,
What?
so
Bet it up, boy. Bet it up. Hey, bet it up, boy. Bet it up. Hey, is anybody else? That's the way to come back, big dog. You know what I'm saying?
yes, sir.
Way to go,
That's all
man.
it's
Way to
about.
go. Yeah, way to
That's
go,
all it's
man.
about.
Yeah, man. Way to go, man. No one else. I'm gonna open up the chat. Let's see. Let's do this. Bring it up here. Let's stop the share. And then mine's will kick off. Okay, blah blah blah. All right, Chris Chris, that's you. PNL to Chris, that's you. PNL 1640 pass 25K evaluation, Sam. That's why I wasn't responding to you.
Yeah, that's why I want to.
Hey, now I knew it was something. Hey, but congratulations, dog. Hey, bro. Hey, rejoice, boy. That's a good. Is this your first one?
Nah.
No, dog. I passed 3 on Friday.
Okay, you ain't got it. Okay, bro. Hey, look. Hey, I'm just trying to get some ground and understanding, dog. I'm not saying you, bro. You under J, so I already know you're a beast, bro. I just want to get more congratulations from you, man, and say, hey, y'all praise him up. Y'all go ahead and praise Chris up. That boy went in the past one. That's EB call 11.
Congratulations, Chris.
Done for the day, Sam. Thanks. $3,400 and 15 minutes in the market. BJ, that's what's up, dog. BJ, you killing it. That's Chris.
BJ.
Huh?
That's good.
Order filled.
All right, we got.
I'm sorry. My mic open? Sorry. I be talking about it like, oh man, look at BJ. Oh, great job. You know what I'm saying? Like, I got real love and affinity for y'all. You know what I'm saying? My bad.
JB acting like a proud papa.
I was like, man, that's pretty cool, BJ.
Yeah, dog.
I remember when he was frustrated. Man, it's like these candles, man. It's like, and then he slowed down when he talks. So if BJ ever asked you a question, it takes all morning. So,
oh yeah, dog. One time at BJ, dog. Y'all know who BJ is, right?
I was thinking.
Dog, yeah.
Seems like every time. I be like, brother, if you just say it, just do me a favor, just say it though. Like, don't wait. Say it. Actually, say it.
Come on, man. Finish emails, man.
Oh my God.
That's my
Cole
dog.
Medina.
Hey, that's my dog. Even though he came to Bike Week in Tulsa and ain't called me, that's still my dog.
I called you and I texted you.
No, you did not.
Oh, that boy horse, dog. He horse.
I did, man.
No, you did not.
He horse.
No, you did not.
I sent you the receipts.
No, you did not. I was sitting right there at the wing place on Archer, waiting. I'm right by the DJ booth, by the stage. I'm like, man, my dog came into town. He did not even call. I love him though.
Hey, Jay.
What's up, dog?
What that say right there? Jay the Trader.
It do say Jay the Trader. But you know what I'm
that?
saying? I can't believe that's the internet. I can't believe nothing on the internet. No more.
You right. You right.
The Lord say don't believe nothing on the internet no more.
You right. Say less. That's it. That's all we got.
Oh my goodness.
What's up, Jay?
What's up,
boss? Yeah, I sent you a mail last week. I didn't get a response yet. Just want to let you know.
Email?
Yes, sir.
What happened? You all right?
Yeah, I'm all right. Yeah. Just sent you an email. You see it, Michael.
Okay, you sent it to my email?
Yeah, I did. Yeah.
Y'all. Oh, my bad. I apologize.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I am checking the chats, man. I don't see nobody in the red. So, Michael, 10, PNL, Francine. One time for Miss Francine, 762.50. Bro, y'all don't know, boys. One time for Miss Francine.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
And for those that came late, I'm gonna go ahead and drop it in here again. We have, where's it? Stroll.
We're getting away from the wording of that happened that quick, didn't it?
Get me up out of this. This crazy.
They were still holding that. Y'all was still holding that buy, and y'all ain't stayed on 22.
Look at you. Look at you.
You see how they talk stuff after it's over?
Man, I hate that, man. Why
I
you
did the
standing in my
sell,
way?
back in the buy, bro. Did the sell down, back in the buy up.
55 was it too. Damn, my man.
Bro, it went to the T, bro. I was in there, both ways.
Yeah, I caught a little bit of that long, but they acting crazy, and I'm starting to get too loose. I got to get up out of here.
They about to chop now for a minute.
Yeah, go ahead and close. Like my man T West say, you got to make sure you close everything out. Close. Close all positions. I don't want nothing lingering on my chart. Get up out of here.
I went through the chat. If you check the chat for those that came in late, we have the Your Wealth Window Conference. Let me go ahead and stop my share right quick. Stop my share. We're going to run through it one more time. We got like 20 minutes left in the room. Simple. Click. Go to the website. Hey, y'all can share the link. You know, do what you got to do. See that young man right there? You never know what you going to get, dog. I don't know. You might get the puffy hair. You might get the long hair. You might get the twist. I don't know. But that's him. That's Jay the Trader right there. That's that guy. That's him, man. You can go through here, man. All you got to do is just hit, like, grab a ticket. You go grab the ticket. You put out your information, your interest, which is dope. You know, I don't know the reason for that, but I like it because for me, I say business. Click to buy the ticket. You go here. Hey, is anybody right?
The reason we do that, Sam, is so that, like, in following up, we can ask people, hey, you wanted this. Did you feel like you wanted more of it, less of it? You wanted business knowledge. You wanted trading knowledge. You wanted, you know what I'm saying? So it's just a little follow-up type of vibe.
Oh, okay, man. That's what's up, man. Hey, is anybody in the room that want to go to the ticket, like want to go to the conference? Let me minimize that. That want to go to the conference, but they can't. They might be having some issues with a ticket. Like they got the travel. They could get there. They could pay for the hotel. Hey, and check this out. Like it's at the embassy. So with the embassy, like real talk, all they rooms are suites. So you get two one time for Vince because he finna sell me out. You get two queen beds, and then you also have a hideaway in the living room. So if you just want to get in there and be in the set, you can get with a group of people, and y'all can like split the tab. But is there anybody in here that want to come to the conference but can't?
Sam, and we got discount on Disney tickets for Friday.
Yo, check that out. Hold on, I think I could get that. I think I can grab that link. I think it's saying
you don't have to grab it. It's only for the people who coming.
Oh, I got you. All right, yeah, my bad.
I'm just letting them know that we putting in work for it. You know what I'm saying? We want y'all to have a great time.
Hey, yeah, his friend
bring the whole family.
His friend said it's tickle.
Yeah, okay.
I don't know. Hey, dog. Hey, I don't know. Hey, it's cool, man. We on the same team, dog. I know he don't mean no disrespect when he, do that. It's cool. I get it. But
I don't mean no disrespect. I don't mean no, but people there. This has happened. We had a conference before. You remember? I don't know if you remember last conference. You remember Miami conference in the Intercontinental?
Yes.
So we was at the Intercontinental, right? So we probably got, I don't know, probably like 40 people in the conference. It's like very, very cool. We having a real good time. And then up walk 10 bullies. You're like, where y'all at? Oh, we booked at another hotel. We did this other thing. We did other this thing, but then we come in to hang out with y'all. We want to do the activities with y'all. I'm like, hold on, man. You don't believe in group economics. You don't believe in collective bargaining. You don't believe in the power of many. Nah. You want to do your own thing and still eat. No. You know what I'm saying? We appreciate you. Keep on hanging out. But this restaurant, we got this for the people who register. You know what I'm saying? We did this for the people who register. You can't just hang out. So I don't mean no harm, no foul about it. It's love. But the negotiated hotel rate is for the registrants. The Disney rate is for the registrants.
Yeah.
We say bring your family. It's a suite. So if you register, but say you and your cousin want to bring y'all kids, okay, cool. You registered. Y'all got the hotel already on lockdown. That's easy. Y'all can break up the price. And then, hey, bring the kids out to the park. It's a great way to win. But if you didn't register and you just trying to get the cheap room rate and the cheap part, and then we just see you, it's gonna be weird. It's just gonna be weird. Okay, I'm just gonna say it's gonna be weird.
All right, so don't. So you want me to take the hotel registration off the link? Because I
Nah,
don't dropped it in the chat.
it's already out there now. It's already out there. It's already out there.
Hey, put it this way: if we see you when you ain't coming to the conference, but I'm gonna blast you for the rest of the year.
I'm gonna shame you.
I'm gonna blast you for the
Pat.
rest of the year.
I'm gonna shame you.
Hey, so
Nobody in here does stuff like that. That's only for the people who follow me on Instagram and put in, hey, I need you to help me one-on-one, but I got $1. Those people. You know what I'm saying? It's not y'all. It's not y'all. It's them. Hey, I love y'all, Sam. You called a great room today, man. I like the precision.
Hey, hey Jay, I got a question before you leave out too.
Okay, what's up?
So I don't know if this is the right place for it, but with my subscription for the 119 for the trade room, something happened with the auto renewal with the renewal.
It lapsed. I saw it. Dan told me about it. Dan said the Carlos is over here and he's talking about the 119 and the 199 and he wanted the old rate. I say, well, check and see what happened. They say, well, his last payment was April 8th. I say, did he make a May payment? They say, no. I say, well, then he not registered for the 119 no more. And 199 is the price now.
Well, it was coming out automatically and then it stopped. But I don't know why. I don't know why it stopped. So that's what I was trying to figure out because when I
that's
originally
crazy. Ain't the devil crazy? He's a crazy devil, ain't he? He crazy.
Yeah, if ain't nothing, it is what it is. I mean, I get it, but I was just trying to, I like
That's
that one.
weird.
I want to hold on to that 119. You know what I'm saying?
From my perspective, I understand. You know what I'm saying? And if I offered it for 49, that'll be something too. And if it was $29, but watch this. And I know you believe this, so this is really for everybody else. Today we called $1,000. Today. You didn't have to know anything. All you had to do was do what Sam said. Does everybody agree to that in here? Man, you don't have to know anything. He said, sell right here. Okay, get out of that. Okay, buy right here. Get out of that. Okay, sell right here. Get out of that.
It's true.
We had passing combines today. People taking profit. We had news calls. We had all kinds of fantastic things. And for $199 for the whole month. The whole month. Now we basically take care of. Now I'm a trader, so this is something I've been saying to the mentors, and I've been saying this a lot of times. I know the exchange of value. Sam, stop your show for a second. I know what it looked like to exchange value. I'm selling people a $20 bill for a 10-cent. I know what I'm doing. I'm selling you a $20 bill, and all you got to pay me is 10 cents to have it. If we call $1,000 a day, and it's 20 trading days per month, and we trade 7 days per week, 7 sessions a week, that is 28 sessions of live trading. 5 in the day, 3 at the night every week. I'm sorry, that's 8. 8 times 4, that's 32 sessions. If on an average, we only do $800, somebody do 32 times 800. Tell me what's 32 times 800. Somebody tell me that.
25,600.
Now, do me a favor. Take 25,600 and divide it by $199.
128.64.
128 times your money. You put a seed in the ground and you get 128 fruit, and all of them got seeds in it. And it's not like a foregone thing. Like, you know what I'm saying? You have to come in, you have to answer, you have to talk, you have to ask questions. Sure, you have to press the button. Sure. But man, if I chew up the food for you, spit it out and put it in your mouth, least you could do is swallow. Least. That's the least you could do. Least you could do. So all I'm saying is at $199, it's a steal.
It's still a steal.
It's a steal. It's a steal. It's like, Jay, you should be charging more for this. That's what it is. I know what I'm doing. I'm selling you a $20 bill for a dime. It's going to cost you a dime and I'm selling you a dub. I know what I'm doing. So at $199, everyone, the value is so justified. It's so justified. Well, look at here. If I was you, I'd pull out my debit card and I'd pay for 12 more people to be in here that I love. Just because it's that good. It's that good. Not only that, people out here talking about, well, I'm waiting for a closure above 44 and then that'll do. Man, you getting little lessons and stuff as you go. Man, check out the 4-hour chart. I mean, everybody want to sell. Hey, what about buying? You getting all kinds of lessons as you go too. Check out this news place. Check out this. Check out that. Hey, and even with the $199 subscription, you get a course. Cash for the Kingdom is inside of it.
Mm-hmm.
Come on now. Come on now. Come on now.
Okay, Jay, I had a similar situation. Now, I paid for the course at $119, right? And I sent you an email stating that the payments, I ain't seen the payments come out of my checking account. So, in other words, I'm being honest and letting you know, no payments have came out since I paid the $119.
How many months were you in on the $119 with no payments coming out?
I paid it one time. What I've been in the room probably about 3 months now.
Man, so Jay gave you 3 months for 1 month's pay is what you saying?
Yeah, Jay, I tried to tell you that in the email.
Man, that's crazy. Maybe I'm back here knowing what I'm doing over here. Maybe I'm like, you know what? Let's let it ride for a second. Let's make sure the systems are all tight. Then we'll go ahead and buckle down whatever we got to buckle down on. So, man, ain't it amazing that 119 got you 3 months? Now,
Yeah.
you might have reached out.
That's why I'm letting you know. I'm going to keep riding the bus for free.
Okay, that's all I'm saying. So we gonna get everything all lined up. OJ is on his Zoom right now. If you know how I'm changing, OJ is getting down right there, down to the business, taking care of business. I've been in inventory land for a year, product development land for a year. We back, baby, and you can trust systems, processes, goals, values, automations, everything will be taken care of to the utmost. I got DG on the case. You know what DG gonna do. He gonna point out all your faults. Yeah, I got DG on the case. I got Greg on the case. He gonna say, well, Jay, what you need to do, you know that Greg gonna do that. Sam gonna get it. I got Sam on the case. Vince, if I tell him to just chew concrete, he'll chew it, because that's what I need him to do. So we got a wonderful team. We on the case. We on the case, brother. I promise we on the case. And we're going to make sure that everybody is doing what they're supposed to do in here. First us and everybody else. You're going to love it. Man, you're going to love it. You are going to absolutely love it.
I have a question before we go. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Okay, so for the breakout, is it considered a breakout when it goes past using it, like, for example, resistance? When is it considered a breakout? When the wick punctures or when that candle
Thank you for joining Samuel J. Strong III and the C.A.S.T Strategy Excel Trade Room. It's been an honor having you with us on this journey toward trading mastery. If you're ready to take the next step, we'd love to welcome you into our growing community of like-minded traders. Whether you're trading to break free from desperation or you're ready to stop settling and start trading with confidence, this is the place for you. The Excel Trade Room is an advanced trading environment where you can trade the way you desire, with purpose, clarity, and fearless execution. Stay connected. You can reach out anytime by emailing thecaststrategy@gmail.com or direct messages on Instagram or connecting through any of our social media platforms. We're here for you. Once again, thank you for being a part of today's session. We look forward to seeing you again soon inside the Excel Trade Room.